Alright, so we've got the monthly chart here in Nifty, and as per the cyclic analysis since 2008 or 2007, we've got a 1 year of correction, about 2 years of going up in uptrend, then another 1 year of correction, and 3 years of going up in uptrend, another year of correction, and then 4 years now in 2020 of an uptrend. Okay, so the important part now is you can see this. It is almost like the midpoint of the channel here. Okay, and the prices are taking support from here all the time. Okay, so the important point is that how do we trade this correction? Okay, and if assuming that it's 1 2 3 4 and now 1 year of correction, if I have to assume that, how do I not reinvent the wheel but just follow what has happened in the past? Okay, so if I switch on to my weekly chart, I'm going to show you this. Okay, so this is your weekly chart. That's 2007 to 2008. All right, that's the uptrend here. Then again we've got the same kind of correction here, so I want to enter shorts here. Okay, enter shorts here and then enter longs here. All right, look for a system that allows you to do that. I preach the ultimate trading system, and for any more information go to my website please. But and we get like kind of a system here that allows you to take a long position here and then a short position here. Okay, all right, again in 2015, okay, 1 year of correction, we've got entries here, entries here, entries here, and engulfing bear. Look for price action systems, double top here, then a fall. Look for gaps. Again, obviously you can say that this is a weekly timeline. Obviously it's a longer time frame, and you can easily look at the daily chart, which we'll do in a moment, and process that information as well. So as you said, there's a long-term uptrend. We've got a selling opportunity here, engulfing bear, right? Shooting stars, I'm sorry, rejection candles here, a shooting star here, and then you've got this fall, then you've got this long position here as well, even in here, and then engulfing bear, and now the waves have started, right? Assuming that this is gonna act as a support, and we want like a certain kind of correction before we can enter on the short side again. Okay, this is what I would do. Like, let me go to the daily chart now. Okay, all right, let's open up the corrections in the past. Okay, so all right, this is the channel where the correction happened. Okay, you've got engulfing bear here at the resistance. That's your channel here. I know aspiring traders, you need to learn how to get an indicator added to this chart, and kind of know whether this engulfing bear is more important than say this engulfing bear here. Okay, I'll give you a hint, maybe like a divergence in some indicator that you follow. Okay, all right, and then again these prices fell. You need to take this trade here on the downside till here. Okay, similarly take, if you get an opportunity, again hint, if you get an opportunity here, take a long trade here, short, long, somehow, and at the bottom of this channel here in 2015 we had a bullish divergence here as well, so that was a perfect re-entry. Okay, and then you can take the long trade here. So now coming back to the current scenario. Okay, so if I have to look at this line here, I'm assuming at least I want to wait for a correction till the EMAs, a correction till this gap. Okay, and then I would like to enter on the short side. Okay, this is what I would like to do. This is, I think, is the best case scenario right now. There's too much risk in taking short positions at the moment. This is obviously I follow a weekly timeline, a daily timeline, and a 60-minute timeline to execute my trades. Okay, I don't go beyond that. So people who follow like a 15-minute chart frame or a 30-minute chart frame or a 5-minute even, if it works for you, good enough, but it doesn't work for me. I like looking at the longer time frames. Okay, for a definite move, and you get one trade that you're sorted for the month. Okay, so that is what I would encourage you to do as well, and open up your chart and look at Nifty, and you'll find these trades popping up. All right, take it easy.